Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see the topic related with environmental engineering in the topic of forecasting population demand. So the method we can use for find out the population forecasting is arithmetic rate method. So whenever the increasing in population or decade is constant, because in well developed cities the population growth will be year by year is a constant rate, because it's already well developed. So in some cities the exponential phenomenal growth will be takes place, because there is a newly developed cities. A lot of peoples come to the city and searching for job or any business like that. So but in well developed cities, so the population growth will be the uniform rate. Okay, so in that case we can use the arithmetic rate method. Okay, so it's mainly used in the old and settled cities. Now the formula we can use for find out the population forecasting, so the forecasting the population. So the future population is Pn equal to P naught plus X bar into n. Okay, so n is a number of decades or number of years, p naught is the initial population, and x bar is the arithmetic rate constant. Okay, so this is a constant, the how much the periodically the population will be developed. Okay, so then 1 decade equal to 10 years, so we already know about that. So now the problem will be, the year is given 1970, 1980, 1990, 2000, and we can find out the population for 2030. Okay, so the population is the corresponding 1970, the 8,000 population is there. Then 1980 15,000 population, 1990 22.5 thousand population, then in 2000 year 30,000 population in the city. Okay, so now we can find out the difference between these two. Okay, so 15,000 minus 8,000, we got the value of 7,000. So this is a difference in increasing. Then for 22.5 minus 15, the 7.5, and 30,000 minus 22.5, that is 7,500. Okay, so now we can find out the x bar value, the average arithmetic rate. Now the x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Okay, so now the average value will be 7,333. so this is a x. So now we can substitute all the values over in the formula. Now the requirement is Pn, that is 2030. Then initial population P naught and x bar is we found out 7,333, and number of years. So from that 2000 to 2030, there is a 30 years. We can calculate as a decade. So there is a 1 decade equal to 10 years, so there is a 3 decade over there. So now n equal to 3. Okay, so now we can substitute all the values over here. So 2030 equal to 30,000 plus the last population plus 7,330, that is x bar into n. So okay, so approximately we got the value of 52,000. So the population in the year of 2030 is 52,000. Okay, so this is a method we can solve the problem. Again, we'll see next video. Thank you.